Yo, what's good guys? It is your boy Bafana L.Nontsiko. Umfana wazala inyanga umama kumthakathi umngane wakhe uyaloya. We are rapping it. Thanko. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I drop. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Peace out. Thanko.
Back then, I had a vision. Act like I'm on a mission. I'm with my niggas, we chillin'. Smoking a locker and check against that shit. Nigga, what juicy, I feel shit. And I got straight like it was easy. Question it. Back then, I had a vision. Act like I'm on a mission. I'm with my niggas, we chillin'. Smoking a locker and check against that shit. And nigga, what juicy, I feel shit. Question it. Kibanele bosa ganese ramako detrika dintosha bonana lepega viroya mañana sa kesha disa korode seka kus so chile zaka desole ka cheko sensule boswa kibone.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
I'm sorry, Baba. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Baba. You bloody shit.
Kang Braga. Mana kamu kuela Braga. Mara Braga, ang gugwa rasa ka mo. Mara rasa jo. Aman, oras. Koi rang? Mara warasa jo. Warasa.
Warasa mana kau dito kan kita ngawin jo apa?
Bulela kohel. Kathala. Opadil. Kathala pa. Kathala.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
No, she wasn't ready.
Guys, that was the end of the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, comment and comment down below. Thanko, I hope you enjoyed the video because wow, this bruise, and I didn't tell them that after the video, I didn't tell them that it was but they are angry. But today, don't worry about the t-shirt. It's just the next day. So enjoy. If you like the video, please comment and enjoy and subscribe. Bafito. Thanko. Peace out.